Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ethan and this is my very first video. I promise that if you stick with me, I will help you become fluent in English. English is not a big deal. It's something anyone can learn. That's the right approach and I'm going to show you how. Whether you're a beginner or you've been trying to improve for years, I'm here to help you unlock your potential and speak English confidently, fluently, and naturally. Let's get started. What does fluency mean? First, let's talk about what fluency means. Many people think fluency means speaking English perfectly without making any mistakes. But that's not true. Fluency means being able to express yourself clearly and confidently in English, even if you make small mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The goal is to communicate effectively, so don't worry about being perfect. Instead, focus on speaking clearly and naturally. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. How I learned English. Let me tell you a little secret about how I learned English. When I started, I couldn't speak fluently. I was shy, I didn't know many words, and it felt like a huge challenge. But here's what I did. I immersed myself in English every day. I started speaking to myself in English, practicing with friends and watching movies in English. And slowly I improved. Here's the key consistency you have to make English a part of your daily life, whether it's reading, listening, speaking, or writing. The more you engage with the language, the better you'll get. Best tips for learning English 1. Practice speaking every day. You might think, but I don't have anyone to practice with. That's okay. You can practice speaking to yourself, talk about your day, explain what you're doing, or describe what you see around you. The key is to use English in real-life situations as much as possible. To listen to English as much as you can. Listening is one of the best ways to improve. Watch movies, YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, or even listen to music in English. Focus on the way people pronounce words, how they structure sentences, and how they express ideas. When you listen to English, your brain gets used to how the language sounds and it becomes easier to speak. Learn new words every day. Make it a habit to learn new words daily. You don't have to learn a lot. Just 3 to 5 words a day can make a big difference. Use those words in your sentences. For example, if you learn the word curious, try to make a sentence like, I'm curious about learning new things in English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. One of the biggest obstacles in learning English is the fear of making mistakes. Let me tell you, mistakes are good. Every time you make a mistake, you're one step closer to improving. So, speak with confidence, even if you're not sure. Over time, your mistakes will reduce. 5 Find topics you love. Learning English should be fun. If you love movies, watch movies in English. If you enjoy cooking, follow English recipes. If you're into sports, listen to English commentary. This way, learning doesn't feel like a chore. It becomes something you enjoy. How much time should you spend learning? How much time should you spend on English practice? Well, it depends on your goals, but my recommendation is to spend at least minutes a day focused on English. This could be listening to an English podcast, reading an English article, or practicing speaking. If you're serious about becoming fluent, aim for at least 1 to 2 hours a day. Remember, consistency is more important than the amount of time. It's better to practice minutes every day than to study 5 hours only once a week. Part English can transform your life. Learning English has the power to completely transform your life. It opens up so many rotundities. You can travel the world, meet new people, and understand different cultures. English is the global language of business, education, and communication. Imagine being able to speak confidently in meetings, write emails without hesitation, or even study abroad. The doors that English can open are endless. Part What should you watch? To improve your English, you need to watch things that challenge you but are also enjoyable. Here are some recommendations. Movies and TV shows watch with subtitles and try repeating some phrases. YouTube channels. Watch channels that teach English or ones that interest you. This could be traveling vlogs, tech reviews, or lifestyle content all in English. Podcasts. Choose a podcast that talks about topics you love and listen while you're walking, cooking, or relaxing. Examples of learning new words. Let me give you an example of how you can learn new words. If you hear a new word in a movie, write it down. Then look up its meaning and how it's used in sentences. For example, let's say you hear the word determined. You can look it up and find out. It means someone who doesn't give up easily. Now try using it in a sentence. I am determined to learn English. The more you use the new word, the more you'll remember it. Part 8 Final Thoughts and Encouragement. To wrap up, remember that learning English is a journey, not a race. It's okay to take your time and enjoy the process. Speak confidently, make mistakes, and learn from them. I promise that if you keep practicing every day and follow these tips, you will become fluent in English. I'm here to help you every step of the way, so don't hesitate to ask me any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching my first video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on learning English. You've got this. To all of you watching this video, I want to say this: learning English is a journey. Some days will be easy and some days will be tough, but every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. You're doing great just by starting this journey. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and don't give up. You've got this. See you next time. Keep practicing and stay determined.